Can you imagine what would happen if we could have any dream? I'd wish this moment was ours to own it, and that it would never leave.
Then I would thank that star that made our wish come true.
Oh yeah, 'cause he knows that where you are is where I should be too. Right here,
Right now, and you and my heart loves of you, 'cause you mean everything.
everything.
Right here, there's a
Somehow we're gonna
can't wait for some other day to be.
be, but right now there's you and me.
But we know it's coming, it's coming down. Always you and me.
So let's breathe a second last, make it last. Right here.
Right now,
Yeah, I'm looking at you,
my heart loves the view.
'cause you mean everything.
I promise you somehow,
That tomorrow can wait
some other day to be.
to be, but right now there's you and me. You and me. Right now there's you and
Like, paano pag mawawala na?
Playlist, huwag mo sabihin yan. Pero pag nawala ka man, syempre mawawala din ako sa sarili ko. Papakamatay nga ako kung kaya ko eh. Alam mo naman na mahal kita. Sobra-sobra, Clarice. Clarice! 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 Clarice!
say something, I'm giving up on you. I'll be the one if you want me to. Anywhere I would have followed you. Say something, I'm giving up on you.
Cheers! Sabay yung single ko! Yes, makakalandi na naman ako! Cheers, pare!
Tae pare, dati ka nang malandi!
Hindi ako malandi, pare. Sineryoso ko si Clarice. Mahal na mahal ko siya.
Lasing ka
Pero
na,
dahil
pare.
nawala na siya,
Lasing ka na!
pakay mo, pare. Magsusimi ako.
Pare, nilalandi ka lang eh!
Hi, miss. Pwede mo kuha ng girlfriend. Sige naman na. alam mo
Ayoko
naman.
nga! Problema pa!
Problema mo!
Problema ko yung mukha mo! Ba't ka tumalon?
Sarap balik mo, pare.
Pare, halika na. Pare, masakit yung tuhod ko. Halika na. Ayoko.
Balikan mo yung mula ka.
Masakit
Girlfriend. Ano ba yung Clyde na yun? Namatayan siya ng girlfriend. Kaya siguro siya naglasing at binastos kaya kanina. Pero tingin ko type kami.
Di naman yung sapat na dahilan para maglasing at mambastos ng iba.
Magmukha naman siyang mabait, tsaka nga lang.
Anong mukha? Wala siyang mukha.
Pare, may sakit ka pa ba? Tsaka sabay-sabay sa akin ng swimming pool. Parang kasi ng tama mo eh.
Oo, pare, nakainom eh.
Magsala lang malamang kahit hindi ka kasalanan.
Sila Catherine.
May kasama?
Kasama yung trinapahan mo.
Aw! Ano ako? Hindi pa ako nagsasorry dun. Ano? Pare siya yung ano.
Wait lang. Tayo mga tol.
Bakit? Saan ka punta pare?
Tara, bili muna tayo.
Pare, walang iwanin. Di ba ikaw yung babae sa pool? Kasi nalasing ako kahapon. Sorry sa nagawa ko Miss, sorry talaga. Hindi talaga ako yun. Dating lang yun ng alak sa akin. Sorry po. Sorry talaga.
Fine. Sorry din kasi natulog ka.
Hindi, ayos lang yun. Magsiswimming na rin kami ng mga kaibigan ko eh. Ano ulit pangalan mo? Miss...
Saan?
Light. Nice meeting you. Naglasing ako dahil sa ex ko.
X? Sino X?
Si Clarice. Namatay siya sa leukemia. Clarice!
Ha?
Wala. Nabubog na ata ako. Tara.
Ba't ka mag-isa?
Oo, Austin, ba't mag-isa?
Bakit ka malungkot?
Masakit pala. Tinutay kita.
Sakit? Alin?
Naman nakakataong minamahal mo. Girlfriend ng best friend.
Si Sandra. Hayaan mo na, dito naman ako eh. Dito ako para damayan ka. Diba, magkaibigan tayo. Bakit ka ba kasi nakipagsuntukan?
Hindi ako nakipagsintukan.
Friends
Si Kay
tayo
ginauna.
naman sa maitubo.
Bakit ka nandun?
Nakita ko si Sandra na tisod.
Alam mo na may boyfriend yung tao, tapos pupunta ka pa doon.
Ano ba ang problema mo? Sino ka ba sa buhay ko? Huwag ka na makialam, please.
Ano ka ba, manhid o nagmamanhid-manhidan? Mahal kita, Austin.
I-action.
Tanga ko pala.
Waterbender.
Julian. Sorry. Uy!
Mr. Cruz,
Dok, ano po yung diagnosis?
I'm sorry to inform you that your girlfriend has breast cancer, stage 2.
Sir, pwede pumasok?
Yes.
Bakit yung mga sinabi?
Hindi mo malaman ko.
Bakit yun?
Isa mo ba man iiyak?
Alam mo namang boyfriend mo ko.
Pero nga, ayoko nga mag-alala ka.
Kahit hindi mo naman sabihin, mag-aalala ako eh.
Pero syempre, ayoko naman makadagdag sa problema.
Ano ba? Girlfriend na kita! Lahat ng problema ko na rin.
Mawawala rin lang naman ako sa'yo. Ba't ka pa andito?
Ayoko nga mawala ka. Alam mo naman nangyari sa akin, di ba? Tapos ulitin mo. Mas maganda pag wala na rin ako eh. Ayoko na mabuhay! Uli si Clarice, kayo si Sandra. Lord, pinaparusahan niyo ba ako? Hindi ko na kaya. Hindi ko na kaya. Alam ko na. Papakamatay na lang ako. Sandra, mahal na mahal kita!
I'm finding it hard to believe we're in heaven, and love is all that I need, and I found it there in your heart. It isn't too hard to see we're in heaven.
Nasaan na ako? Langit na ba to? May tao ba dyan? Clarice? Clarice!
It isn't too hard to see we're in heaven, heaven. Whoa.
You're all that I want, you're all that I need.
We're in heaven.
We're in heaven. We're in heaven.
Do you, Sandra Acabel, take EJ Osawa as your lawful wedded husband? Do you, EJ Osawa, take Sandra Acabelos as your lawful wedded wife?
I do.
By the power vested in me, you may now kiss the bride.
Ang blooper.
Take me back, back to summer paradise.
Bakit talaga mo yan pa?
My heart is sinking.
Mr. Cruz,
Look, what's the name?
I'm sorry to inform you that Caroline has
You, but someday I will find my way back to where your name is written in the sand. 'Cause I remember every sunset, I remember every word you said, and we were never gonna say goodbye. Singing la da 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 da, tell me how to get back to summer paradise with you, and I'll be there in a heartbeat. Oh, I'll be there in a heartbeat. Oh, my soul is broken streets. I can't stop these feelings melting through, and I'd give away 1,000 days, oh, just to have another one with you. We're crashing like waves, we're playing in the sand, me and you holding your hand, yeah. 'Cause I remember every sunset, I remember every word you said, and we were never gonna say goodbye. Singing la da 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 da, tell me how to get back to summer paradise with you, and I'll be there in a heartbeat. I'll be there in a heartbeat. Oh, yeah. I remember Sunday mornings and summer evenings. Now you're not next to me and I am freezing. Was it real or baby tell me was I dreaming? How can you show me paradise when I'm leaving? Now my heartbeat is sinking, hope shrinking. When I try to speak, no words, lip syncing. Hope this is not just wishful thinking. Tell me that you care and I'll be there in a heartbeat.
Someday I will find my way back to where your name is written in the sand. Cause I remember every sunset, I remember every word you said. We were never gonna say goodbye. So you let it do. Tell me how to